This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Blake Shrek Eyes. This is the dream house you have been waiting for. Beautiful new construction, only a few months old and waiting for the perfect new owner. The house boasts a split floor plan with the master suite on the opposite side of the other 3 bedrooms. One bedroom was intended for office or bedroom, your choice. Wide open living space so that you can see the front yard, backyard and through the house from the centrally located kitchen. All exterior doors are custom made solid wood doors. Kitchen cabinets are also custom solid wood. They include a huge pantry, oversized island and additional storage space on the back side of the peninsula. Currently being used for home school supplies but great for any number of uses. Large front and back covered porches to look at this beautiful land. This house sits atop a hill that gives seasonal views of Johnson County as well as privacy from the road. There is a large open space to have a great yard that is encircled with a barrier of trees for exploring, hunting, and privacy. Really need to see this one to appreciate all that it has to offer. Owner built their dream home but had to move with short notice. Their loss is your gain. For more information, review